The boogie we're going to be doing today is like so. I'll do it slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello everybody, continuing on in the lessons I wanted to give you and beginning to boogie. This is part 3 and we're going to just do, listen, in the world of boogieing it's pretty simple, but I realize after trying to think about how I would present this, there's really a lot of different things going on that an experienced player takes for granted. So I'll try to take it slow and hopefully I don't miss any pertinent information. Okay, so we're going to do this one in the key of A. Okay, so let's go over the different parts of this. First of all, you got to use a one-fingered A chord. Just a power chord. You're going to play the A string, the D string, and the G string. The rest you have to learn how to muffle or mute. So if you watch my strums, I'm going to just mute the guitar and I'm just going to do the strums. Okay, so there's a lot of up strums. Full chord. The first one is the full power chord. That's bad up. One down, one up. And then you're going to follow it with a bunch of upstrokes. So it's finger on the A string, and then the 5th fret on the A string. Now it's your choice. You can either mute everything except the A string when you're doing the, or you could let the balance of that A chord ring, which is not an issue because it sounds cool. So here we go. So again, on this, the right hand, you're doing a Now, if I wasn't muting the strings, here's what it would sound like. Sorry. Muting it is a better method, and I think by and large, most guitar players would do it with a mute. So. Now watch the left hand. It's like I'm pressing down for the chord, and releasing it just a little bit on the upstroke. Down is full pressure. Up, the first up is full pressure. Also, the palm is sitting just a little bit forward of the place where the strings come over the bridge, all right, to give it a muting effect. But you got to know when to lift off and when to mute. Lift off, mute. And you're going to be doing it in a pattern. Okay, here we go, as slow as I can do it. 3, 4. Okay, so the next part of the pattern, you're going to switch over to D. It's a little bit more difficult, but you'll get it with practice. So you're going to go down. So for the D part, you're going to go the same pattern with the down, up, 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 up. But in order to get that effect, the effect of the power chord, it's a little bit more complicated with your left hand to do the D chord. So I'll try to do it slow. 3 strings I'm strumming are the same, the D, the G, and the B string. You keep your hand in the D chord position. Don't worry about the E strings, not part of the system. So here we go. Same pattern, down, up, 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 down, down. Okay, here we go. This is the one that's a little bit weird. You got to remember to pull your pointer finger off, and you're going to let the D string and the G string and the B string with your finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, you're going to let that ring. So you're going to go down, up, 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 3rd fret of the D string, and then take your hand off and just leave your ring finger on. So let's go back to A and run it through to the D. Okay, now the rest of it is going to be followed by the end is the E chord. Just a power E chord. Play it with one finger. Open E string, point the finger on the 2nd fret of the A string and the D string. That's what it should sound like. No other strings, just these 3. So it's okay, so let's run it through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so just got to remember it's down, up, 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 up. One finger for the A chord, one finger for the E chord. It's just a stack, root, fifth, octave, and the A is root, fifth, octave. But the D is also root, fifth, octave, root, fifth, octave. And again, the D is back to the A. Anyway, I hope that works out. And any questions, you could always leave it in the comments below. Please leave a like, and if you would be kind enough to subscribe, that would be great. Thanks. Bye.